Welcome to 12 Score 5 Tech. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a UDP request server using SSHSSLTUNNEL and configure it on the SocksIP Tunnel app. This method allows you to enjoy faster and more secure internet access. Let's dive right into it. First, open any browser on your device and type SSHSLTUNNEL into the search bar. Press Enter, and among the results, tap on the official SSHSLTUNNEL website to proceed. Once you're on the home page, locate the menu button, usually at the top or side of the screen. Tap on it to reveal a list of options. From the menu, select Premium UDP Request. You'll be redirected to a form page. Here, you need to enter a unique username and a secure password. Complete the reCAPTCHA verification, and then tap on Create Server. In just a few seconds, your new UDP server will be generated. Once it's ready, copy all the server details. I recommend saving them to a notepad or your Notes app so you can access them later. With your server credentials saved, the next step is to install the SocksIP Tunnel client. Open the Play Store, search for SocksIP Tunnel, and install the app. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. You'll land on the VPN home screen. Tap on the gear icon located on the left-hand side to access settings. In the Settings menu, locate the connection type option and select UDP Request from the list of available protocols. Now enter the server details that we generated earlier. Make sure everything is filled in correctly. When you're done, save the configuration and return to the main screen. Finally, tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. And just like that, you're now connected to a fast, secure internet connection via UDP protocol. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Stay safe and stay connected.